be this far now without you. At hindi ito para sa akin. Again, it's for all the Filipinos. Para din sa inyo to. Lagi akong magiging proud sa pagiging Filipina, sa Philippines, and kung ano man yung kaya ko pang gawin just so that we can showcase how beautiful our tourism is, the Filipino people are, how hardworking they are, then I will do everything I can. Gusto ko din i-share sa inyo nung nandun pala ako sa pageant in Mexico. There was so much eyes on me. Not only because they know, oh, you're Miss Philippines, but they had eyes on me because they were telling me how beautiful the Philippines is. Yung iba doon nakapunta na ng Philippines, tapos sinabi nila na nagpunta na sila sa Cebu, nagpunta sila sa Boracay. They went to different islands and beaches in the Philippines, and they were telling me how beautiful it is in the Philippines, in our country. So for me to hear that, and for me to get that kind of recognition, napaproud ako, natutuwa ako, kaya who knows, maybe we will be able to bring some girls from Miss Universa batch ko in the Philippines